Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Small space vegetable gardening offers so many benefits, like access to fresh, healthy produce. Growing your own food in small spaces allows you to grow a variety of vegetables and herbs, even in limited areas like balconies, patios, or even rooftops. In most cases, homegrown produce is fresher, more nutritious than store-bought options. You are able to pick it at its peak time and free from harmful pesticides. Growing in containers not only allows one to grow in small spaces, but you also have control over the soil composition, the drainage by adding as many drainage holes as your container needs, as well as being able to control the nutrients that your plants will feed from. Mobility is one of the biggest benefits of container gardening because containers can easily be moved to follow the sun or in the shade to protect your plants from harsh weather. Also, container gardening can be more efficient with water use compared to traditional growing, especially if you use self-watering containers. Definitely a win. Also, convenience and ease of maintenance. Tasks like weeding, pruning, harvesting can be more manageable in containers. Ideal for beginners and year-round gardening. Focus on maximizing your vertical space. Use all sorts of containers like raised beds, succession planting, interplanting, planting compact varieties like dwarf size plants. When you're growing in a small and limited space, get it in where you can fit it in. Growing using trellises and A-frames really works when you're growing in a small space. You can grow cucumbers, beans, peas on trellises. Also, those compact varieties of vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, leafy greens, they all thrive in containers. Hanging baskets are another excellent option that really works. Hang baskets on walls, fences, or balconies to grow trailing herbs, strawberries, and compact variety of plants. Wall-mounted planters are also another option by utilizing that vertical wall space for your herbs, your flowers, and even small vegetables. Just call me the grow bag queen. I love grow bags. They're lightweight. I love flexible. They can be hung or placed on shelves, placed on the ground. Love them. Overall, a great alternative to traditional pots. I really should have on more clothing. These mosquitoes are trying to eat me alive. I'm planting more squash. My first round of squash did not do as well. And of course, I expected it. I knew the squash bug, the squash vine borer would definitely be out to take care of business, which it did. But that's all right. Succession planting is how you go about getting continuous harvest throughout the season. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to plant more. Also, be sure to choose the right containers. Select pots or containers that are appropriately sized for your plants that you want to grow. So if you have small plants, start with a small pot. If you have a medium-sized plant, go with a medium-sized container. If you're growing a large plant or even a tree, then go with a larger size pot or container. It's better to go larger than smaller, but you can always size up. And just a personal tip, I love flowers and I think that flowers should be in every garden. That's just me. I think they add color. I think they add interest in the garden. So I would say make sure you plant flowers amongst your veggies and your fruits. I think it's great for the ecosystem. If you've never had lovage before and you're a celery lover, give lovage a try. It tastes just like celery to me. With lovage, the leaves are the most widely used part. I am a cilantro lover, so I'm definitely getting more cilantro started. If you're a new or beginner gardener, growing vegetables at home, it can be simple and rewarding as long as you don't make it complicated. Just start with a good plan. Location is key, and soil preparation. These are the things that will bring success. Along with choosing easy to grow vegetables like radishes, lettuce, or beans, because they can build confidence for those just starting out. Follow the seed packet instructions, water regularly, weed regularly, fertilize as needed, protect your plants from pests, pick your veggies at their peak ripeness. We like them young and tender over here. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.